In this video we are going to solve number series and will find the next number in this series. Given numbers are combination of two series as highlighted by red and blue colors. So, first series is 4, 7 and 10. The second series is 11, 14 and 17. Here, 1 plus 3 is 4. This 4 plus 3 is 7. This 7 plus 3 is 10. This 10 plus 3 is 13. Similarly in second series, 8 plus 3 is 11. This 11 plus 3 is 14. This 14 plus 3 is 17. And this 17 plus 3 is 20. So in the given series above, the next number will be 13. Now, we are going to solve another number series and will find the next number in this series. We will evaluate by considering second term minus first term. 6 minus 2 is 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. 20 minus 12 is 8. 30 minus 20 is 10. 42 minus 30 is 12. Now, look at sequence. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. Now consider this sequence as shown by blue color. 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. The next number will be 14. And 42 plus 14 is 56. Hence, the required number will be 56. Now, we are going to solve another number series and will find the next number in this series. Given numbers are combination of three series as highlighted by red, blue and green colors. So, first series is 8, 7 and 6. The second series is 9, 10 and 11. And the third series is 8, 9 and 10. Next number in the first series of 8, 7 and 6 will be 5. The next number in the second series of 9, 10 and 11 will be 12. And the next number in the third series of 8, 9 and 10 will be 11. So, in the given series above, the next number will be 5. Now, we are going to solve another number series and will find the next number in this series. Consider first two terms. Second term minus first term is 3 minus 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Consider next two terms now. 7 minus 3 will be 4. Consider next two terms. 15 minus 7 will be 8. Consider next two terms. 31 minus 15 will be 16. Consider next two terms. 63 minus 31 will be 32. Now, look at the trick to solve this. Consider this 2. This 2 is multiplied with 2. Becomes 4. This is how this 4 is obtained. This 4 is multiplied with 2. becomes 8. This is how this 8 is obtained. This 8 is multiplied with 2, becomes 16. This is how this 16 is obtained. This 16 is multiplied with 2, becomes 32. This is how this 32 is obtained. Now, this 32 is again multiplied with 2, becomes 64. Consider this one plus this 2 becomes 3. Now, this 3 plus this 4 becomes 7. Similarly, this 7 plus this 8 becomes 15. This 15 plus 16 becomes 31. This 31 plus this 32 becomes 63. And similarly this 63 plus this 64 becomes 127. And this 127 is our required number.